Hi up, my name's Chris Besley. Today we're going to be doing a traditional holly wreath. It's a little bit early because it's only mid-November. If it's going on a grave you can put them on the first week of December, but I wouldn't make it until then. But it does give you time to go and get your ring and your bits and pieces. I got all of mine. I got my ring, I got my stub wire, which you have to snip yourself. It's just a thicker gauge because it's locked down, and I got my binding wire all from the pound shop, so that's easy. The source, they are open. The difference between a traditional holly wreath and modern holly wreath these days, they're not made by machine, and the other ones are Oasis. Traditional one has got a moss bottom and it's just made with stub wire. It's wired together. Each piece is just put in individually and turned and folded, and it's stuck in and it won't come out. And it'll easily last 2 months on the grave. With doing it, you can put your own decorations on it and make it door decorations. You can put Christmas lights in the pound shop, bits of spray snow on it, you can put tints on it, you can put baubles on it, you can do all that and make a door decorations. That's up to you. My decorations usually go, my idea is to put them on the grave. That's what I've done all my life, that's what I do now. And what you do is up to you. I just want to show you basically how to do it. You can source your moss. You can either get your moss from a garden centre, and you can buy it by the bag. It's not that expensive. If you're really lucky, you can rake it out of your own lawn. It's just as good as any other moss and cleans your lawn. You can get it off of stone walls or from woods. If you do, you need permission. If you do it without permission, you risk getting a summons. So you're warned. And the same for the holly. If you've got your own holly, you can, or you know, good. If you see someone up around the woods, ask a farmer. Usually give you permission. And if you see someone in the garden, if you just say, I just want a couple of sprigs, usually most people will let you have a couple of, half a carrier bag, just snip a few into a carrier bag. Want about 30-40 pieces, little pieces. So that's where you get it. How you get it. You can buy it. The holly can be expensive because it's Christmas. After Christmas it's not worth a penny. But you can source it for nothing, and if you walk around the woods you can usually just snip a few bits off and nobody would really say anything. But there again, you should have permission, really. There you go. That's my introduction over with. As you can see, just to hang on a door. So you got this. Just do that off out the way. So you grab your wire. Look for this. Look for this. A little place to anchor it to. Give it a quick twist. Get the moss, squeeze it a little bit. Just drop it through the hole. And again. Nice and tight. take any sticks out. You can see why I pushed it around this piece of wood. Any wood will do. It's just to make it short enough. If you've got a ring, you'll get loads of tangles if you just have a bundle of wire. So it's better to wrap it around a piece of wood and do it like that. You can pull it nice and tight as well. I haven't bothered to take the tinsel off. Don't make a difference really. So I just left the tinsel on. All more decoration for the Christmas. Okay, that's pretty much getting there now. See how it goes? Just tuck it in around the wire. A couple of times. I'm doing it 3 times. 2's enough really. If it's a bit vexes, just fold it over and stick it in the moss. Then get your scissors and give it a haircut, nice and tidy. There we go, nice and firm enough. Okay, you want these, this is your next job, 8 inches. You don't have to be that precise, but yeah, that's your stub wire. And all you do is you grab your end, any end, and you make a hook. Okay, now the rest of it, I'm going to make 30 of these, 40 of these, something like that, up, tie them around the holly, and then they just go straight into the holly, into the ring I should say. Turn them over. Okay, once you've gone round, it's 14 pieces, it's taken 2. Okay, in case we haven't got it, push it to a slight angle. Push, it hooks out, bend it over, push it in.
Yeah.
Okay. I just do this just to make them stand out. Same old thing. Turn, fold. Snip off the top leaves. They can stand out. Should be 6. Okay. There we go. So to recap, those on the side, slightly sideways. There's about 6 or 7 there going in that way, and the one lot, so there's 3 rows. There we go.